You always chewed tobacco, always told me not to, always drove a Chevy, that always made me want to. You never had no wife or kids, as far as I did know. Never had the time, I guess, 'cause he was always on the road. When he finally did settle down, a small place all his own, was a busted down old two-room shack with sawdust in the walls. Might have been the whiskey, it might have been the cold, all his years of rambling, or else it just got old. I'm sitting here listening to church bells on the wind. He played a beat up old guitar, he said he won in El Paso. He'd sing sad old country songs in a voice all his own. Made moonshine whiskey that put a smile on a dead man. Burned like hell going down, take it straight to heaven. We get tired, you talk all night about the places that he'd been, all the girls he'd loved and left when he hit the road again. It might have been the whiskey, it might have been the cold, all his years of rambling, or else it just got old. I'm sitting here listening to the church bells on the wind. Empty scars and endless bars and jail cells on the way. Tough as nails at 85, he'd been something in his day. Never seen him praying, asking of the Lord. Used to go to church, he said, now I got a little bored. Sang Amazing Grace for him, laid his guitar across his chest. He had it all along, so I figured it was best. It might have been the whiskey, and it might have been the cold, all his years of rambling, yes, it just got old. And I'm sitting here listening to the church bells on the wind. I know he's in heaven now, and it's an open road. He's up there rambling, 'cause he's all done getting old.